Good morning, students. I hope everyone is safe at home. I wish you all a very happy and prosperous new year. I hope in this year we will meet very soon, okay? So, enjoy this year, enjoy the day as well as study well. Now we'll move to the lesson. So, in the previous class, we discussed about the lab activity, the action of saliva on flow. So, today we'll discuss about what is the pH of saliva, how can you measure, how can you know whether the saliva is acidic or basic. Okay. So, for that, what we have to do, just to see the textbook. Once you see the textbook, so this is the pH paper. This is the pH paper. It will be available in the lab, chemistry lab. Okay. So take this pH paper and just you tear and put it on the tongue. Then just whatever color you obtain, that one you match with this pH paper. Okay, and note it down. Then eat the food, whatever it may be, your just you had your lunch or had your breakfast. Again, just take a small pepper and put it on the tongue, and that color also, whatever that color. So opposite to that, the readings are mentioned here. To note down that readings, like that 3-4 times, just to note down the readings. Okay, then afterwards compare with that. So you see, actually, the pH of saliva, so the pH will be 7 will be normal. pH 7 will be normal. So below 7 will be acidic, and above 7 will be basic. So according to that, just you identify whether whatever food you ate, it will be alkaline or acidic. So in this way, you can able to know the nature of the saliva. See, always the nature of the saliva is little bit alkaline nature. So, but after taking the food, what will happen? The food means it leads to chemoreceptors. So they will dissolve in the saliva. So depending upon the food, so you will get whether the nature of the saliva may be acidic or basic. So if you eat the acidic food like that, you take lemon juice and all, then automatically you will get below 7. Okay, so if you take this what lady fingers and all, then automatically it will be alkaline. So you get above the 7. So in this way, just you try yourself. So it will be not possible now. After coming to school, you will do this experiment. Okay. Then another question is there in your textbook. You see, why do we salivate during a nap of daytime? So sometimes we will take a small nap during the daytime. So the saliva will lose out from our mouth. So why this happens? Why this happens? Actually, you see, the animals are two types. They are diurnal animals and the nocturnal animals. So nocturnal animals, so nocturnal animals, the daytime they will take rest, and the night time they will come off in search of food. For example, take fox, owl, bat. They are called as the nocturnal animals. But we are called as the diurnal animals. Why? Because our body system will be activated during the daytime. So it will be very active. So all now digestive system, all the juices will be produced during the daytime. They will be secreted. So during the daytime, in this active time, if you take rest, so what will happen? This extra saliva which uses out, it will be comes out. You know, per day. So we salivate 1 to 1.5 liters of saliva. Will be secreted in the other words mouth. Per day, an adult man or adult human being is secreted, it will be secreted 1 to 1.5 liters of saliva will be secreted. So during the daytime, if you take a small nap, what will happen? It will be always, it will be not happen. But they said this is one of the reason. So during this time, if you take a nap, so the saliva will be released out from the mouth. Okay. So this is about yours mouth. Now we'll discuss about the after mouth we have esophagus. Esophagus is a long tube which starts from the neck region. From here it will starts. Okay, and up to the abdomen. It will be there up to the abdomen. It will traverse to the chest cavity and ends in the abdomen. So now we'll discuss what is the means character of this esophagus. So mouth ends in the pharynx. Pharynx means here we have two holes, that is called as the pharynx. So from the pharynx, one sound box will be started, larynx will be started, and esophagus will be started. Means windpipe and food pipe both will be started from the pharynx. So pharynx is a common passage for the air in the food. So now we'll discuss about food pipe or esophagus. So esophagus, you see here is what is the nature of the esophagus. So they have given here is a long tube, upper end connects to the pharynx. So esophagus is a long tube. It is a long tube. The upper end connects to the pharynx. This is called as the pharynx. It is a common passage for the pharynx. This is called as food pipe, or you may call it as esophagus. And lower end connects to the stomach. So the lower end will be connected to the stomach. This is stomach. So it is there, and you see it is muscular and elastic in nature. So what type of tube it is? Esophagus is a long muscular elastic tube. It starts from the pharynx and ends in the stomach. Okay, so this wall secretes mucus, slimy substance. So this wall of this esophagus, it contains mucus glands. It contains mucus glands. This mucus glands these mucus glands, they secrete mucus. Mucus is a slimy substance. It is a slimy substance which helps for the lubrication of the food. So easily the food will be passes through the esophagus because of the presence of the mucus. So walls carry on wave-like movements by contraction and relaxation. So how the food will move in the esophagus? The food moves in the wave-like manner. Means this is the way. In this way, the food moves. But relaxation, this is the relaxation phase. Contraction, relaxation, contraction. So this is movements are called as peristaltic movements. These movements are called as peristaltic. A very important question. What are peristaltic movements? So the food which moves in the esophagus with the contraction relaxation is called as the peristaltic movements. So passes food to stomach by wave-like movement of walls. So these walls they will contract and relax, contract and relax. So this type of movement is called as the peristaltic movement. So if the questions are there, try to answer these questions. What does the schematic diagram tells us about the esophagus? So this is a long elastic muscular tube starts from pharynx and ends in the stomach. And it is the walls that contain is all whatever is there you have read all this. So what kind of the tube is esophagus? It is a long muscular elastic tube. How does mucus help in passage of the food? So the mucus helps the food to pass very smoothly, and it helps to lubrication of the helps for the lubrication of the food. In the next class, we will discuss about the another experiment. Again, once again, happy new year to all of you. Thank you.